Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2019 at a past photo managers conference, the first year I began interviewing my colleagues. Although the year has passed, the insights shared remain valuable to anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy. Hi, here we are again at the Apple conference, and I'm with Mili Parra Castro, who is from Venezuela, lives in Florida, and you've done a family history for your family, but you also do that for other people.
Yes, I have done that for several clients, and they are so thrilled with the results when they see all this history of their family since they migrated to the States to present day. And they enjoy so much sharing that story with the grandkids, and and the kids, grandkids, and all the other extended family.
Right, so it's really family history. Where
It
have I
is
come
really
from, identity.
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. How we get where we are, and moving forward, why we are living here, and all that is relevant and important. Where we migrated from. Some of my clients even had ascendant from the native. I mean, they were Indians, and others came from in the Mayflower. So it was very interesting knowing all those facts and put them all together for the future generations.
Yeah.
Well, very exciting.
Oh, that's great. Well, thanks for talking with us, and we'll see you again with another organizer.